welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia and today's video is going to be a hair tutorial inspired by Victoria's Secret. Everybody wants to look like a Victoria's Secret model. Girl, I don't have enough time in my life to go to the gym to have their bodies, but why not have their hair and their makeup? So I did a makeup tutorial as well, so if you guys have not seen that, don't forget to check out the link in the description box down below so you guys can see that as well. Today we're going to be focused on hair. This tutorial is going to be pretty quick because it's not hard. It does not take long at all. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and if you recreate it, let me know on Instagram by tagging me in your photos. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to go ahead and pull my hair downtown. Ouch. Ow! Every time I take a rubber band out of my hair, I feel like I'm gonna die. Brush out any of the nastiness in your hair that is due to damage or old product or lies and secrets. Now, if your hair texture is curly, especially like a really tight curl, I would recommend straightening it first. I use a little bit of this Eva NYC Freshen Up Dry Shampoo. You can use anything that you guys have on hand. I believe you can find this at the drugstore. I'm gonna go ahead and throw all of that in there, especially at the roots because I'm going to end up keeping this style for a couple of days. This helps to add some extra grit to your hair as well. Then I'm going to part it down the center here. So I'm just taking a little rat tail comb and it looks like this. You can use a pencil, a pen, anything sharp. If you have long pointy nails, girl, that works too. Next, what I do is I just take small sections of hair like this. I believe this is 1.5 inches. This is from Nume and it's a dinosaur. I've had this for many years and I've gotten so many hair tools in PR, but I just give them away as gifts because I'm just so used to one product. I just use it over and over again until it like breaks down. So what you're gonna do is you're going to leave your barrel straight like this. And since I want my hair to go out, I'm gonna take this section of my hair, as my barrel's this way, I'm going to wrap it around. Please be careful not to burn yourself, because it happens. And I'm gonna leave this small section here. And I also have a few inches at the root too. You're gonna hold it for 30 seconds. I stretch it out to kind of elongate the curl. I don't want it to be too tight. And then I let it go so it looks really soft and it's gonna be really nice when I brush it out after. And I'm just working my way to the back here. So a small section, holding it straight across. And I'm going to go around the barrel like this, leaving 1 inch to 1.5 inches at the end. I'm gonna hold it for about 30 seconds. Then I'm going to release it, stretch it, and move on to the next. You can definitely achieve this using a larger barrel or a smaller barrel. All you do is wrap the hair looser or tighter around the barrel depending on the size. Please don't burn yourself, girls. It happens. Pay attention. Use a mirror. Don't use a camera, okay? Because I'm literally doing this blind. I'm going to be doing the same exact method on the opposite side. This part is going to go this way and this part is going to go that way. This is the most dangerous because I'm so scared to burn myself. This only took me like less than 10 minutes to achieve, so if you guys have less hair than me, you're in good shape. It's gonna be a super quick hairstyle and it looks amazing every time. And if you take care of it, like using your dry shampoo or using a shower cap when you wash your body, you can wear this same hairdo for maybe about 3 days, 4 days, depending on how oily your scalp gets. Mine gets ferociously juicy. So next up is going to be your texturizing powder. You can find this everywhere. This one in particular I found at Ross, I believe, and it was under $10. This is the BigSexyHair Powder Play. So what you're gonna do is you're just going to lightly powder this all over your hair. Hello, come out. There we go. Lightly powder this all over your hair, especially at the roots. So just go easy with it. So you guys can see I'm already getting my Princess Jasmine on this side, so it's the best. And a little bit does go a long way, so be careful. Ah! Don't do that! Shoot. It's not gonna ruin your hair, but it just really wasteful as far as the product goes. And to finish it off, I'm going to be using some of Marc Anthony's Bye Bye Frizz Silicone Free Humidity Shield Hairspray. So I'm just going to go ahead and start picking up sections of my hair, and as I pick it up, I'm going to lightly spray, so not too close, so a little bit further back, lightly spray, but I'm also going to be combing through my hair. This is going to separate the hair and just leave me with really big volumized hair. Hair. Pick up the hair, spray, and move at the same time. Look how big my hair is. I mean, it's huge. What the hell's going on this side? This is a little bit tricky because I'm right-handed. So pick it up and separate. And that's pretty much it. It should take you under 20 minutes to achieve if you're going really slow. Now, if your friends are waiting for you in the car, I have faith in you guys. You can definitely get it done in like less than 25 honks. Get it, girl. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. And again, if you have not already subscribed to this channel, don't forget to do that now, and I'll see you guys in the next one.